In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Fortnite on Samsung Smart TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase an extremely convenient method to access Fortnite directly on your Samsung Smart TV. Most Samsung Smart TVs nowadays will include the gaming hub, so if you open the menu and look for this controller icon, you will find the gaming hub. One of the ways in which you can play Fortnite through here is by using one of the streaming services that they have available. So all three are going to appear. You will have Xbox Cloud Gaming, GeForce Now, and Amazon Luna. All of these include Fortnite. I recommend using Xbox Cloud Gaming. It is by far the easiest one to use, and you don't need any sort of subscription. But of course, if you want to, you can use NVIDIA GeForce Now or Amazon Luna. Once you go into the gaming hub, all that you have to do is highlight any of these and then select them. So use your remote and then choose the particular streaming service that you will be using to play Fortnite. If you choose Xbox Cloud Gaming, this is what you are going to see. Play Xbox games, no console required. In here, choose the option to sign in using your Microsoft account and you will be guided through the process. You have to open this link primarily on your phone, and you can either scan this QR code or enter the code manually that you see here. By doing this, you are going to attribute your Microsoft account to this TV. And once your Microsoft account has been properly set up, they are going to ask you to pair a controller. You can try skipping this for now, but to actually play, you will need a controller connected, so keep that in mind. You will often pair them up using Bluetooth. If you have an Xbox controller, you press the connect button for a few seconds, and if you have something like a PlayStation controller, you press the PlayStation button and the share button. Now, once you are inside of Xbox Cloud Gaming, all that you have to do is look for Fortnite. Upon finding the game, you will be allowed in, you can go through the queue, and you can stream it over the cloud. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fortnite on Samsung Smart TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.